Here you see on my back side, this is the historical bridge between province Punjab and province KPK. On my back side you see the Attock Fort, which is the very historical fort with respect to the history of the number of the kings, number of the emperor, Babar, Sher Shah Suri, and so many invaders. This is the point where you see both rivers, that is the Kabul river and Indus river, joined together. The muddy color, the darker color water is the Kabul river, while the light color, while the fresh color is Indus river. So this is the junction of Kabul river and Indus river. Here you see on my back side, on my right side, this is the Punjab. On my left side, this is the KPK. So this is the junction where province Punjab meet with the province KPK. A unique site with respect to the vegetation, with respect to the unique diversity of the plants between Punjab and KPK, Indus River and Kabul River. So we will explore the vegetation that is grown along the banks, along the benches of the both rivers, the ditches, the banks, within the water bodies. I will give you the unique information about the aquatic life, about the freshwater plants, about the wetland plants. Here you see it is a Shoria creepers. This is another important aquatic plant that is found in a fresh water of Indus River. These are the blooms of this plant that are known to be the polluted reducer. These balloons are the balloons that accumulate the heavy metals from the water. So it is one of the natural aquatic pollution removal plant. This is a Shoria creepers. This is another important aquatic plant or a water plant that is found in the fresh water, that is Vallisneria spiralis. This is another important plant in the water that is used to purify the water. It is a natural purifier plant which is found in the Indus River. Here you see it is a Potamogeton crispus. It is called as a curly leaf pond weed. Another important aquatic plant that is found in the fresh water of Indus River. This is a Lemna minor which is found in the fresh water of Indus River. Lemna minor belong to family Araceae, which is commonly known as a duckweed. This is the protein-rich plant which is used as a duck feed, fish feed, and it is a natural plant in a fresh water to reduce the pollution. So it is also one of the important aquatic plants for removal of pollutants, heavy metal from the fresh water. So it is a natural phytoremediation plants that are found in the Indus River. This is the Pisastertitis that belong to family Araceae, which is found in the Indus River. It is a natural pollution remover plant in the Indus water. Aquatic plant which is floating on the surface of water. The roots absorb the heavy metals. They absorb the pollutants from the water. They absorb the heavy metals. So this is a natural phytoremediation species. So this is a natural biological control to reduce, to remove the pollution from the water. See, it is a boat by the local peoples of Attock who are catching the fish. This is the freshwater bodies to catch the fresh fishes from this Indus River. This is a fresh fish that is caged by my friends, my village fellow from Jangira and Attock Fort, Chandbai, catching the fresh fish. So we are enjoying the fresh fish of Indus River. This is the fresh fish from Indus River. We have catch this fresh fish and enjoy at the evening. This episode is also useful for the botanists, for ecologists, for environmentalists, and the scientists who are working, the students who are working, the industries who are working on the water purification. Water purification plant to remove, to reduce the pollution from water by using the natural means, that is the planting the plants, that is the aquatic plant, the wetland plant that are naturally found in the water bodies, and these plants can reduce, can remove the pollution, purify the water, and can be used as a feed for the fishes, feeds for the duckweeds, and a rich source of nutrients, rich source of ethnomedicine. Hope you enjoy this beautiful episode about the fresh water of the Indus River, about the plant diversity that is found along the banks and ditches of Indus River, and the plants that are found in the fresh water of Indus River. We have published one of the book that is a wetland plants, that is a source of ethnomedicine and nutrition. I would like to read this book from Springer Nature to get the information about the plant life of aquatic world. I would like to request you to subscribe this Miracle Herbal Diversity, to press the bell icon to get the interested information about the plant life that are used for food, that are used for medicine.